Hey, greetings, Performance Reviews, where I give you the review from the technician's point of view. And today I have the Bank Mint. This is a compact canister. It is a power team. It has a Visselwerk EBK 280, non-adjustable nozzle on it. So low pile area rugs, this should do excellent on. It has a nice crush-proof long hose. So you can see it parks in the rear, crush-proof hose. And they do give you, this is a pretty nice switchable floor tool. Natural hair with bristles in the front, switches up, you can do your area rugs. Then they're giving you a nice little basic tool set. This can clip on the wand or you can put it in the closet separately, and it does have a nice dusting brush as well. All right, give you a tour of what's here. You have a slide suction control, a cord rewind, you have an on-off button. You do have a HEPA filter right in here. There does appear to be a gasket here, so it does look sealed. There's plenty of sound dampening. Let's see. Yeah, it's really quiet. You have some sort of full bag check indicator right here. You have in here, you have a standard bag. Now, they do have their own branded bags, but this is a standard bag that's been used, same as like a Recart Type Z, something like that. Comes out, there is a removable bag dock, so you can work with the bag on your own terms. I really like that actually, though it is something that can get lost, so keep that in mind. There is a relief valve here, I was noticing, and a pre-motor filter. So just very, very basic canister. I have to say, I love the color of this canister as well. It's just a really nice blue. Excuse my fingerprints on it. Now this does have a full bag check indicator right there, and it's an actual light. Now you also heard some stuttering when I was doing that. Excuse me, there's a little static electricity here at the show. But right here you have a relief valve on there as well. And then this machine is assembled in China. It has been approved by Intertech. And that's the Mint by Bank Vacuums. Now this is a hose reminiscent of like a 1500P, which I do like. You have your on-off switch, and then you have a suction relief valve there. And then you have a telescoping wand here as well, which is about under a meter, so it's closer to a yard. The manual is just very basic. Safety warning goes through the machine. That's it. Really simple way to contact them if you need warranty work, anything like that. All right, we're going to test the working vacuum right here, and I've had to make a little duct tape adapter, so the accuracy of this might not be as great. This has a 35 or 34 millimeter fitting on it. So we see here, wow, 80 sealed, and we're getting just about 50 working. So excellent numbers. All right, we're going to do a pickup test. Unfortunately, we don't have any hard floor to show this machine, but we're going to do it on carpet, and this is really the right type of carpet for this machine. Now you're going to hear the real sound of the machine through the studio mic as always. We're at a trade show, so if you hear any background noise, don't be surprised. All right, let's see how it did. Well, no flour, no cat litter, no breakfast cereal, no animal hair. That did very well. It doesn't surprise me. With those working vacuum numbers, this Visselwerk EBK 280 does very well on carpet. And again, I wish I had some hard floor to show as well. Well, the cord length seems pretty decent. There's about 20 to 25 feet here, it looks. It's hard to tell because it's plugged in on the other side of this booth, but that gives you an idea the length of the cord. Now, something I do appreciate is that the cord is marked twice to let you know, slow down, hey, stop. This really helps longevity of the cord rewind anytime a company chooses to do that. Hey, I want to note that the length of the hose is particularly long on this canister. I don't have a way of measuring it here. I might edit that in post-production. So upon using this machine just at the show a little bit, I did notice that it does steer and maneuver pretty well for being a two-wheeled, one caster sort of canister. Again, there is a relief valve there, and there's a plug right here, which does seem to be their own style plug, which I don't blame them for using a proprietary plug. Now this does swivel 360 degrees, only limited by the cord. So keep that in mind. If it gets tangled up, you might be better off untangling it here where it swivels. The telescoping wand, man, that looks very familiar, something like Taconi. So if you're not familiar with this particular nozzle, it is quite excellent. And I'm going to show you why I really like this nozzle. It can be opened up almost with no tools. I don't have a screwdriver handy, so I had to use a pocket knife. But what's cool about this is it just opens up and you can get to anything you need to do to get in there for maintenance. There's a line, you can cut anything off. I would suggest every 3 to 6 months, just open this up, have a look, maybe clean out the end caps. This is an improved version of the older Miele 217 nozzle. If you're not familiar with the 280 ice cream sandwich style of power head. And this cover, when you're done, just snaps back on like so, and you're good to go. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this quick look at the Bank Mint entry-level to mid-level power team canister. Well, folks, thanks for watching our VDTA 2021 coverage. I hope this has helped you decide whether or not you want a Bank Mint canister power team with a Visselwerk EBK 280, and it also does come with this tool as well. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification button so you can see all of our latest coverage from the VDTA and some of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.